Hey. Asa ta diri? Diri ta? Oh, diri speakers. Dito na may speakers ta, day? Ha?
Push it,
Diri?
right? Push it.
Ano, may alipin na sila? Bebe. Taas ka? Sabi ka na. Wow, guys, nakasakay na ni.
Basta kay push it.
Pushin.
Ako nila kung dito ka na kila.
Gani.
Kinamakan ta.
Kawat ka sa gulas, ay.
Kawat ng tagulas ug lakad. Ha? Ang kawat tagulas ug lakad. Nakila ka kahit something. Lakad mo lagi. Kinamakan man. Ako ko din dai.
Yung kwan ka day pa. Uy. Uy, day. Tupang ko day. Kana. Ay, Diyos ko.
Ocean Shopping Center, nasa station na ini. Ngayon, bumabot ha. Tapos sabi na, welcome 7 minutes. At diba, straight ahead lang kayo. Huwag kayo lumiko kung saan yung mga landmark. 7-Eleven. Ako ito landmark na kasi akin.
Guys, ingon na bigtay ko, guys. Nasunugan. Ha? Sa nasunugan. Oo, try ta dito. Susi, mabalita. Nagtawag pa siya?
Dali, ato ba mag-imusli? Nag-aris kami. Good afternoon, everyone. Time check now is 11:39 or 35. No, 11:35 a.m. We are going to what's the
Type, water from
we are going to
Park.
Waterfront Park. We will see how it's beautiful there.
some big flowers there.
Yeah, later we're going to show you the
The beautiful place.
So we are taking a bus 71S National Station from Bushi. So see you there. Because Kirby,
It's it, right? Kita?
asan ba di? Exit B, akyat kayo Uptown Plaza, find exit leads to B buses. Basta may line is the exit.
Ang Uptown Plaza na.
Sasakay pa tayo.
Lo,
Okay naman.
sakay pa.
Sasakay tayo ng bus.
Yes. Oh.
You know where is that park? Patago Park.
Flower.
Yeah,
I also want to go.
Yes. It's our first time here, so we also time. I also first time here.
Ah.
Also, it takes a bus.
Yes, take a bus.
Oh. Can we join together? Oh, okay. Just go and I'll do there.
Ah.
But we also still find where is the bus stop.
Bus stop.
Because we will see here. Up there. Oh.
Let's go.
There.
Let's go.
This is our last video.
We go up.
What's your name?
Nopi.
Nopi. What's Hara? Hara.
Oh, Zahara.
Zahara. Oh. Yeah.
Ingon tong usa nga dili usa kaysa. Ingon tong nang banak ba?
That's only
Taiko.
Oh, here.
Oh, Taiko. I don't know.
So far we going to use relay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Why? It's so powerful.
So where are we?
Wait.
Wait. Right side.
Which side?
We did it. 71 is. Then we take 71 is the last station. 71.
Straight ahead or saan landmark? Landmark 7-Eleven. Landmark 7-Eleven.
Turun terus kan ada jalan. Iya, jalan ke sini kan ada sana ke sini. Di papan ini ada di sini. Ya Pak. Tadi ada yang bilang pilih aja bis yang mana yang dimau nanti jalannya ke sini udah. Naik. Mbak kan turunnya. Ini kan ada jalan ke sini kan?
Ya.
Kan ada
Down
minibus kalau ke sini minibus kalau ke sini. Gede. Halo.
Mall.
Kalau ini kan begini kalau begini minibus kalau begini bis gede.
Makasih ya.
Oke.
Juga ada makan-makan
Thank
tulisan.
you.
Kalau ini Bang Paul.
Wala ako pumunta. Sasayo prami guys, sasayo.
Barus.
Di here.
Oh. The problem is we need to buy supposedly some stuff. So,
Ano? May snack. Ay, may snack na sila. May mga snack na sila. May saging naman.
wala tayong motor tayo.
Kasi may mga maligyan na dito. Nice. Shit. 7-1S.
You buy you buy
No. I mean, we have only
banana
and rice, but no dish.
I just cooked earlier. But she's
Wala bang ano?
okay, 7. This is
7-1S. Shit.
What she says is this one? I give bus different in mini bus.
Ah.
Saan ito like? This one is
Yung bus na talaga ni Bukit pero nga.
Oh, KMB bus. This one.
No, minibus over there. Over there.
Over there.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Bus na dito. Mini bus there.
Minibus is different bus.
Oh. Baka may shop lang dito.
Kaya ko ne. Di maning cake tadi.
Maybe we still go here. This is bus terminal, not bus termos. Maybe the yeah. Ayun, bago magbago na kayo kanta.
What about I bring
We just buy first because we don't have food.
Yeah, or you just what?
Sure, eh.
Because you are going right.
Yes,
I
yes.
just-
You want to buy first?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
So we just follow you. We just follow
okay,
you. We just follow you later, yeah.
Okay,
Just go.
okay.
It's okay. Because if not, then I
We
can
don't
buy
have-
everything for us. No problem.
Oh.
I want to buy everything for us if we can go together. But I don't feel too
Yeah, I don't know. Okay lah, if you want to buy something first, you can call later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we don't have water. We don't have.
Oh,
I say the vlog is they said buy something first because I think in the park.
yes,
Yeah.
I also think same or I don't
No.
know maybe.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
See you next later. See you later. We will just buy.
Assalamualaikum. Bye.
Ay, tubig. Na, may kape rin. Nabugnaw na niya akong kape. Kani ko. Ay, nakong naray mga baligya dito.
Ayoko na kami naman wala na.
Ay,
Nagaiyak pa naman.
Oo.
Kaya ako na ate sa
Ah.